Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do 2 jumbo braids. Real quick, easy, simple. You really don't need a lot of things. All you need is some braiding hair, a comb, hair ties, rubber bands, and a brush. That's it. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Off with freshly washed hair. I'm using argan oil cream of nature. And for my deep conditioner, I'm going to use argan oil of Morocco conditioner. Okay, so after you have your freshly washed hair, I don't recommend putting your hair in a towel. It's actually really bad for natural hair. If you have just a regular t-shirt, wrap your hair in it to get all of the excess water out of it. I like to start off with damp hair. For me, it's just easier. And if I could get the towel off, the hairstyle tends to last a little bit longer for me. So what I'm going to start off by doing is parting my hair into 2 sections. Don't mind my ceiling fan back there. Just using a scrunchie to pull back one section so I can work. Okay, so once you have your hair sectioned off in 2 parts, now it's time to get this back. Well, not get this back, but like get it, you know, it's gonna be a low bun, a low 2 buns. Or I think what would look cute is to have, I don't like my buns to be like, I like them to sit at the top of my head, but I don't like them to be out like this. I want them to be back. I don't know what it is, it's just a favorite of mine, a favorite way of doing my hair. So what you're gonna do, now this is assuming you guys have already applied your hair to your edges. I mean, your hair to your edges. Unless you already applied your gel to your edges, so what you're just gonna do is brush it back, all the way back. Okay. So once you've brushed your hair back, you're gonna put, my hair tie broke. It actually really hurt. So you're gonna put a hair tie. I'm sorry for my silly faces, y'all. My hair is difficult to deal with. It's so thick. So, okay, boom, got it. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other side before it dries up, because once my hair dries up, let's see, I told you, it's not gonna allow me to. You ever shoot a whole video, get done with the whole hairstyle, then you look back at the camera, and you done messed the whole hairstyle up, because hair over here was in this bun. I already struggled to put this one in a bun. I mean, braid it with the weave. Now, this one want to be like, oh, I want to be friends. I want to be friends and be in that bun. You know what? We don't get started, y'all. For the 10th time. Don't laugh at me. I'm trying to teach you something. Okay. So, hair. I didn't even think of what I'm trying to say. Hair stretched out, combed out. Now, of course, like I told you, I like to start on damp hair. And I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do is take this, split it in half, so you guys can see the thickness for each one. Okay. Smooth out all of those little flappies. Those little flyaways in your weave. And you're going to take it and cross it. So you're going to take this one right here, cross it over the top like that. And I'm only going to show you guys one side, and then I'll come back when the whole head is finished. It's the same for the other side. Just remember that you want to make sure, sorry for the noise, I dropped my comb. You want to make sure that you are detangling as you braid. It'll make your life so much easier. So you're going to take the hair, lay it at the base of your hair or your stitch, ponytail, whatever you want to call it. Part it in two like this. Now remember, you want to braid tight so that way it will look not as neat as possible, but that end you want your hair to blend with the synthetic pre-stretched hair. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna hold the braid just like that. Grab it with my other hand so that I can now braid more comfortably. I don't know about y'all, but it's really, really difficult for me to braid big braids going back like this, like doing it from the back. I have to come to the side and do it. Okay, remember when you're braiding, you want to twist your hair into the braid. I'm gonna get a little closer. Okay, so twist, braid, twist, braid. What do? We braid, braid. Okay, so once, now you want to do this really, really tight, y'all. You want to do this really, really tight. So as you can see, like, my hair is in that thing. It's in that thing. So I've seen a lot of people add hair to their braid, but I'm gonna just be real with you. Realistically, my hair is like this, where it's thick, and then when I start braiding my hair out, it starts to get not thinner, but it slims down, or whatever. I guess the word would be thinner, right? So all I'm gonna do is continue to braid my hair like so. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna turn around, and if I look back at this video and it's some hair from that other bun in this bun, I'm gonna lose my mind, because I'm telling y'all, I done freaking redid this video twice already, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it this time. I ain't gonna give up. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is continue to braid. And you're gonna braid it all the way to the end. Now for my people who have unpre-stretched hair or just regular braiding hair, you're gonna add a rubber band to the end of this so it will stay nice and braided up for you. Okay, I'll be back when the other side of my hair is done. Doing the same thing, gonna repeat, but then I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it up a little bit, or how I fix those little imperfections that I don't like about it. All right, I'll be back with the second braid. I'm not for sure, but showing you the thickness of the parts. I'm gonna take it, lay it over just like that. Same thing as the other braid. I'm gonna split my hair into two. I'm gonna lay the middle part in the base of those two strings, and I'm gonna take the middle part and attach it to one piece of hair, and then I'm gonna take either the left or the right piece and attach it to the other piece of hair. Just whichever way you braid, because I know some people left-handed or right-handed. So I'm gonna split my hair. My hair's already split. Okay, now twisting it. Remember, we want to brush down our hair. We want our hair to blend as much as possible with the synthetic hair. Remember, y'all just gonna twist and braid. Twist and braid. Now, as I said before, or if I didn't say, this is just a quick hairstyle to do on yourself. And because it's a quick hairstyle, I mean, some of y'all can really just make it perfect, though. Make it so perfect. That's what you choose to do. I honestly don't mind this part because my hair is, for me, it's a little difficult to like really put it in. Like, the braid looks nice, y'all. It really does look nice. But this part up here, and then this part right here, I usually just put my little beads right there, and people seem to really like it. So I think I do it on purpose. But we're just gonna keep braiding, 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 braiding. What do you braid? Okay, so we're gonna braid it all the way to the end. And remember, we're going to take our scarf that I said you needed in the beginning to wrap around your edges so that they can be a little bit more sleek. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some more of my gel on my edges, and then I'm going to all right, y'all, this is the end result. I just have like it in little rubber bands at the end, but this is my hairstyle. I really like it and I think it's cute. I'm not one of them people to do a whole face of makeup, come back and be like, oh yeah. I'm not doing that, but I will change my outfit and I will take a few pictures to insert at the end with my little cute bomb hairstyle. So if you like this video, y'all, this has been a really fun thing to do, to film this for y'all. But just comment, tell me what you think, what type of hairstyle you want to see next. And if you like this video, like it. If you think this was comical or helpful, go ahead and share with somebody else, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.